If you've ever had trouble finding the menus or hours of operation for retail or residential dining locations on campus, this quick video should give you an easy walkthrough of how to do so. You can easily access all the information you need on the Byte app. Once you've downloaded it, open it. Here on the home page, you will find articles about the food being prepared, as well as recipes and tips on how to live a healthy lifestyle while dining on campus. When looking for a specific location's menu, tap on the menu button found on the bottom right corner. This will then show you the closest dining hall to your current location. When you tap on that location, the day's menu will appear. The menu changes every day, so there's always the option to look ahead for future dates, which is located at the top. If you'd like to search a different location's menu, just go back and either tap one of your saved locations or tap the Find New Location button and type in any location you'd like. Now, if you'd rather just check online, it's as simple as typing in marquette.sodexomyway.com into your browser. Here you will find all of our upcoming events as well as the hours of operation for holiday breaks. To find the menus using the website, tap on the upper right corner on the three bars. This will give you a list of options. You can tap Traditional Dining, which will show you where resident dining halls are located on campus. You can then find the menus by tapping your preferred dining centers and then the menu button. Make sure that you tap the drop-down tab titled either breakfast, lunch, or dinner. In the Commons, you have a late night option. This allows you to see everything available at the dining hall. The easiest way to see current menus is to click on What's Open Now. This will show you a list of retail and residential dining locations that are currently open. Just tap the one you want and it will have the same drop-down breakfast, lunch, and dinner options available, as well as some specialty locations like the Lunda Room. Thank you for your interest in Marquette Dining Services. We hope this was helpful.